set. We have 2 thumbs up. You know what that means, Jones. Count it down with me. This match starts in 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go. We are on the way. The California Alliance of Legend and Infinibots shooting shots already. 1, 2, 3 going up from Legend. They go up and in. The Romanian team 19116 emptying out their classifier already and shooting 3 shots up top. Here comes 16010. Not quite there on 2 out of 3, but Legend able to come back with another 2 out of 3 for the California squad. 2297 Infinibots doing the same for red as more shots are being cleared by the Romanian team. 1-2 going up and in for 19116. Not quite able to open the classifier again, but there's still one more artifact in the robot, but it's not quite being indexed the way they want. Legend and the Red Alliance trying to catch up, but Blue Alliance has the lead out of Autonomous. 97 to 111 in favor of Blue at the end of Autonomous. We'll see if it holds.
3, 2, 1.
We are underway. The Astromachina machine already trying to scoop up fuel in front of their alliance partner in the secret tunnel zone. Foul called on red as 22297 Infinibots continues to grab artifacts from in front of their trench. 19116 shooting up top. That's the Romanian spindexing machine. 1-2 shots going up and in from Legend as Astromachina continues to grab artifacts and play defense against the Red Alliance. 221, 227 entangled with 16010, but they were able to break free. Or are they able to break free? Yes, they are. 3 artifacts in front of their human play station trying to chase them down. 2 long shots going in front from Astromachina. 2297 continues to empty out that classifier for the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance has a 10-point lead, but that gap is closing fast. 2297, the California machine, able to grab more artifacts and empty out that classifier for another 15-point swing. Blue Alliance right behind them, though, with another 15-point swing of their own. 2227 right behind them with another 3 artifact swing. 19116 with another 3 artifacts inside the robot, the Romanian machine. Bang, bang, up they go. Deep shots coming in from 16010. Astromachina on the Blue Alliance side. Not quite there for 2 out of 3. Infinibots continuing to shoot from up close. Legend cycling from afar. These 2 alliances working in tandem as the strategies they have planned out are coming into play. Blue Alliance with a slight edge, 275 to 268. Will it hold? Long shots going in from Astromachina as another 9-point swing comes in from Infinibots. Legend right behind them with another 2. Front lines goes up to the 3rd one in that area. They grab it instantly. Another 15-point swing for red. Here comes a 6-point swing. Another 18-point swing for the Blue Alliance. It's a slim lead. Red takes the lead. 22 seconds to go. This one's got to be close. Red Alliance crawling back, but Blue Alliance is right there in front of them. 338 to 331 as we think about endgame. 12 seconds to go. Robots need to get in their spot and park. Defense being played on the Red Alliance as they are unclassified artifacts going in. Blue Alliance with a 20-plus point lead. Will we see a tiebreaker? Time expires. Here in the Jones division, it is the Blue Alliance. The Red Alliance advantage goes away, and we will have a rubber match here on the Jones division with a score of 400 to 377. Your Blue Alliance will take